I've been using the Hamilton Beach HBH650 Tempest bar blender for a solid 3 years now, and let me tell you, it's been an absolute game changer for my bar. This blender is the real deal when it comes to handling the hustle and bustle of busy bar environment. One of the standout features is the jar pad sensor. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the job. It ensures that the motor shuts off if the container isn't properly in place, saving me from potential mishaps during those crazy peak hours. But what truly sets this blender apart is the wave action system. Unlike traditional blenders that move in a circular motion, this pulls ingredients down from the top with a unique up and down movement. The result? A flawlessly mixed concoction from top to bottom. Though it requires a 230 volts electrical connection, this blender's performance makes it totally worth it. 3 years down the line and it's still working like a charm, handling the demands of a busy bar like a true pro.